Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to do a weekly analysis of all the major forex pairs. We will look for the possible trading setups and we'll discuss about the all confluences for these trading setups. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the AUDUSD. Now, as we can see, AUDUSD, we are consistently making lower lows and lower highs. So starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we already made a lower low, which is lower than the previous low. We are expecting the price to retrace back to this support turn resistance zone and give us any kind of shorting opportunity to go short. Now, this zone is a high confluence zone, friends, because as we can see, this zone is retested multiple times, not only here but in the past as well. So it's a strong, as we can see here, here, and here. So this zone is retested multiple times in the past, so it's quite strong zone. Also, these moving averages are going to act as a resistance once the price hit the zone. Also, 20 EMA is below 50, so that is also acting as a confluence to our trade. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement, then if we consider the swing low here, then it's going to be something like 38.2 to 50% retracement if that happens. So we can say, friends, this is going to be a very strong zone with lots of confluences. So I'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone and give us an indication to go short. Now let's move to next pair, which is going to be New Zealand USD. This pair, friends, this is also in a downtrend, making consistent lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the high, low, lower high, lower lows. And ever since the price made this lower low, it is ranging between this green support zone and red resistance zone. So for now, I'm not looking for any kind of trading opportunity here until the price break out of the range. What I'm expecting the price to break below and give us a break and retest on this strong support and resistance zone, and then we can take entry on the lower time frame to go short. So if we talk about the confluences, you can see this trend line is going to act as a resistance to the price. Also, we have 20 EMA below 50, which is going to act as a confluence. Also, moving averages are going to act as resistance once the price hit the zone, and that's it. So that's it on this pair. Let's move to next pair, which is going to be EURUSD. On EURUSD, guys, this pair is also in a continuous downtrend, making consistent lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we can say low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Once the price made this lower low, we predicted the price to retrace back to this strong resistance zone. Although the price did retrace back to this zone, but I could not take entry because if I show you on the 4-hour, I wanted to take the entry on the 4-hour, but this because of this long engulfing candle, I didn't want to take the entry after the close because the stop loss was going to be too long. So after the candle close, I expected the price to retrace higher in order to give us a shorting opportunity, but that did not happen. Still, if the price retraced back higher to the zone and give us a short indication, then I'll be trying to get it in the trade. So if we talk about the confluences on this zone, as we can see, this zone is quite strong because we touched it multiple times. We can see this 20 EMA below 50, and EMAs are also going to act as a resistance once the price again hit this zone. Also, we can see the price is moving in a trend channel. So upper band of the trend channel is also acting as a resistance to the price. So these are the confluences, guys. Also, we can check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low. We see that it's a 61.8 to 78.6 Fibonacci retracement zone. So we have lots of confluences in this zone to go short. Next, we are going to talk about the GJ. Now, GJ is also in a continuous downtrend, guys. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low. After making the lower low, we predicted the price to retrace back to this resistance zone and get rejected, and price follow our analysis. For now, friends, I'm expecting the price to break below this previous low, make a new low, and then we will be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone. Then we can go to our smaller time frame. For me, that's a 4 hour, and then I will look for any kind of shorting opportunity to go short. So that's on GJ. Now let's move to GU. GU is also in a downtrend, making consistent lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we can say low, lower high, lower low. Once the price made this lower low, we expected the price to retrace back to this zone, but that didn't happen, and right now price looks to close below the previous low. If we close below this low, in that scenario, this is going to act our uh, lower high. Then after making this new lower low, we will expect the price to retrace back to this zone, this strong zone, to get an entry on the smaller time frame to go short. And if we talk about the confluences on this zone, we know that this is a strong zone with multiple retests, and the 20 EMA is below 50 EMA, and both EMAs are also going to act as a resistance once the price closes below and retrace back to this zone. So we can say we have also we can use the Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, wherever the swing low will be, and we can see it's going to be a 50 to 61.8% kind of zone. So we can check all these confluences by the time we are going to enter into the trade. So we can say it's a high confluence zone, and we will be looking for this kind of price action to go short. Now, next pair is USD Cad. As we can see on USD Cad, we are consistently making higher highs and higher lows. Starting from here, we have the high, higher low, then higher high, because this high closed above the previous high, then higher low, and now the price is moving higher, but the price is in a resistance zone. Personally, I am waiting for the price to break and close above this strong resistance zone, and once happen, then I'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this strong resistance turn support zone, and I would like to take an entry on a smaller time frame to go long. So that I'll be waiting for on USD Cad, guys. Now let's move to USDCHF. USDCHF, if we start from the top, we can see starting from here we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and after that price broke above the previous high, made a higher high, higher low, and higher high. After making this higher high, price closed below the previous low. Now price closed below the previous low, but that doesn't mean that we are in a bearish trend. But for now, as the price already closed below the previous low, so we do not have a bullish bias on this pair at the moment. What we can look for, price to retrace back to this resistance zone, and then we can look for any kind of indication to go short. If the price doesn't follow our analysis and break and close higher, in that scenario we will be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone. Then we can look for the entry on the smaller time frame like 4 hour to go long. So that will be on USDCHF. Next, it's USDJPY. USDJPY, guys, if we start from here, we have the high, higher low, higher 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 high, and then price broke below the previous low. Once this low was made, we predicted the price to retrace back to this zone and get rejected. The price follow our analysis, but since then we are trading near the support. Personally, I am not looking for any kind of trading opportunity at the moment until the price break below and then give us a kind of break and retest on this zone. Then I'll be taking an entry on the smaller time frame to go short. So that's it, friends. This was the analysis on all the major forex pairs. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video.